Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers on the 2013 Ford F-150. The style of seat covers we're checking out today are the Kryptek Camo seat covers in the Bronze series. It's a front and back set, matched up, looking great, super durable, waterproof seat covers, and just going to be an awesome looking set for this vehicle, as well as super durable. Going to keep things nice and clean on the inside here. Let's check them out. All right, so this fabric is a super durable, waterproof fabric that is gonna repel the water and just keep things nice and clean, easy to wipe down inside here. Now, we say that this is a waterproof fabric. Technically, we say it's a water-resistant seat cover because there are sew lines inside here. So you may see water-resistant on our site a couple of places, but this fabric, I'm gonna show you, it's waterproof. We're gonna pour some water on it, it just beads right up, wipes off. Nice, easy cleanup on this fabric. Now, this is the Kryptek Typhon fabric, and this is a nice canvas feel, so super durable. It's gonna wear and feel really nice. It's a lot of dark colors in this Kryptek Typhon. If you're not familiar with the Kryptek tones, again, this camo Kryptek has blacks and grays in it, and it goes great inside this truck that has lots of black and grays. When that Kryptek Typhon is used for the insert as well as the trim, just full camo, looks great in this set here. Let's check out this headrest cover now. You can see how nice and tight that fits around. We have a full install video showing you how to get these covers on, make them look nice and tight like that. I'm gonna slide that up just a little bit so you can see how nice and flush that finishes around this headrest post section here. Full install video, we walk you through the whole thing on how to get these on looking nice and tight like this. Let's check out the driver bottom now. You can see Kryptek Typhon for the insert and trim here, trimmed out nice and tight around these seats, guaranteed snug tight fit. We do guarantee that it will fit your vehicle, and we are here to back that up. So this was custom made for a 2013 Ford F-150, and be sure to put in your correct vehicle details when you do that, because all of the custom seat covers that we offer will depend on your vehicle information, so it fits nice and tight like this. Now we can see the passenger side here matched up with the driver, Kryptek Typhon for the insert and trim. Headrest looks great here as well, and just always great to match up all your seats, driver, passenger, as well as the rear seats. Always transforms the vehicle when you do that. These seat covers are fully airbag compatible. You can see right here when you're installing these, this is the side where you're going to want to have that tag for that side airbag. If your side airbag ever needs to deploy, it'll blow right through the seat covers there. Now here's the rear pockets back here. It mimics that OEM pocket that you had on the original seat, and since these covers cover over the full back side, it's nice to have a rear pocket back here. That way you can put some larger items, your jacket, binoculars, hunting gear, whatever else you might want to stick back here. That's a great pocket back there. Trimmed out in the Kryptek Typhon on this particular set as well, looking great. And full back coverage on the back side of that seat. That way if the muddy boots get up here, get on the back of the seat, it's going to be easy to wipe that down. Now we're on the rear seats. This is a crew cab, and the rear seat is a 60-40 split seat. So you can see the 40 section that I'm on right here, this is the passenger side, and it's a small seat right here. And if it was just a one long bench cover that you bought down at Amazon or AutoZone, it would not fit. You got to get this custom fit, custom made for your specific Ford F-150 if you're looking at seat covers like this. So it's a 60-40 seat with two separate backrests, two separate bottoms. And now that 40 section folds separately, and then that 60 section is going to fold independently as well. You can see there's cutouts on the bottom side and full coverage. So cutouts to make sure that it's all functional. Seat's going to function just as it needs to. And then also underside coverage, which is great. We love having that coverage underneath here. That way if the dogs get in here, get muddy on that, and it's just easy to wipe down and keep clean. So on this particular pattern, it had underside coverage there. You get the full top of the seat covered here, and the backrest is covered. Everything with this waterproof Kryptek Typhon fabric, gonna be super durable, great for the dogs jumping in and out of here for the hunting trips. It's a great looking set. Now the headrests are all covered back there as well in the matching Kryptek Typhon. Again, watch our install video to see how to put these seat covers on. We walk you through every step, so don't worry about that. We got that taken care of for you. Now the child seat attachment bars will still be accessible. You can see that's these bars right here. And so there's a cutout for those, for that as well. And then all the seat belts are gonna have the necessary cutouts as well to still fold and function. You know, the seat's gonna be functioning just how it should, but now all protected. Now this middle seat belt is an integrated seat belt, meaning that it's integrated into the seat, and the seat cover does work with that. There's a little Velcro on the seat cover that goes on the back side right there that you attach on, and you slide that seat cover underneath to do that install. I go over that in the install video, so good to watch that install video before you install these seat covers. But you can see it works with that integrated seat belt, and just everything trims out really nice and folds and functions just how it should. So what I'm gonna do now is show you how these are water resistant seat covers made with waterproof fabrics. So you can see how this, check out how that water just beads down on that right there. It just kind of beads up like that. So you can see that's what's going to repel that water, keep things nice and dry underneath there. And when you're ready, you just come wipe that off with a microfiber cloth. Let me put a little bit more on there. You can see how it just beads right down. Again, you can see those beads right like that. Okay, and then again, you just wipe that up, keep things nice and dry, protected underneath, and ready to go on your next adventure. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you want to see more products like this that we've reviewed today, you need to go to coversandcamo.com. Again, we are your source for custom seat covers. If you have a truck, UTV, car, SUV, maybe another vehicle, you need to go check us out, coversandcamo.com. We look forward to building you an awesome looking set of seat covers and maybe some other products to protect that interior. Again, coversandcamo.com.